So Steven with Jenks Pressure Washing lives somewhere over here above Atlanta. Let's hear what he has to say.
Hey everyone, what's up? It's Steven with Jenks Pressure Washing. Just want to go ahead and say that I've been working with Rayon for about 2 weeks now, and we've probably put in about $200 in ad spend so far, and we've already pulled 1,600 in sales, and that's with me having a very limited schedule because I work a 40-hour a week job, right? And so that's working maybe one evening a week and just weekend availability. Within the first 48 hours, I'd already closed $500. And listen, if you're new to business like me, this is my first like legit business, and you're kind of nervous about like I know how to run the equipment, I know how to do the job, but I don't know how to generate leads, and you're nervous about losing money on Thumbtack or whatever like that. Don't just get in touch with Rayon and follow his lead. Trust me, he knows what he's doing. His prices are fair. He'll work with you. You have to do this if you're really serious about bringing in leads and getting this business to wherever it is you want to be in life, whether it's quitting your full-time job or making a decent side hustle. Without customers, you're not going to get any revenue. And if you're new to this, it's going to be hard to get customers right off the bat. So definitely get in touch with them.